is my Crafty Goals collab video for May for what my goals will be in June. This collab is hosted by Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia. Each month a bunch of crafty YouTubers get together and post videos on what their goals are for the upcoming month and what they've accomplished in the previous month. So I want to review what my goals are and restart setting my goals. I sort of got a little off track, as a lot of people did in the past couple of months. So when I started this collab, I decided that these are going to be my goals. I want to grow, I want to focus, and I want to inspire. So when I say I want to grow, I'm talking about my Instagram and my YouTube. I wanted to rebrand and use the new logo on the projects. I have been doing that, so that's done. So I need to focus. I still have a large stash of 12 by 12 paper pads, 6 by 6 collection kits and embellishments, so I really want to use them. Probably it's going to take me about 2 years to do that. So anyhow, that's what I plan on doing, and I also wanted to join collabs. Now obviously I'm doing this one collab, but I am not posting on the Use Your Stash challenge. And I also need to share more. I said that I wanted to post on YouTube and post on Instagram and work on a blog. I've been doing okay with that, but not consistently. So that's what I'm going to work on in June. And I have made a couple of tutorials, but I want to work on them a little more consistently. So this is what I did accomplish for May. I did get a couple of things done. This was one set of albums I made for a couple of little girls. I did have a stash of paper that had doggy and kitty cat paper, so this was one of the mini albums that I made using that. So you'll see a couple of the other mini albums. I will have videos coming out on that, but this is a quick little preview of what I made with those. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of what I made with that Imagine That paper. This is a cute little mini album. This is made with the Imagine That paper pad by Echo Park. The album measures 7 by 7 with almost a 2.5 inch spine. Use some of the cut aparts and stickers on the front of the album. It's got a little dimension to it. You open it up. I'll just do a quick walkthrough because I'll try to do another video on this, but inside it's got a couple of pockets. This page is held together with a magnet. That goes up, that goes out, and that goes out. So you can get a lot of pictures in here. I made it specifically so you could put 4 by 6 photos with a minimal amount of cropping. You would have to do some cropping on it. So there's a photo mat in the hidden pocket page. This page opens like this. And a couple of little tags in these little pockets. Again, room for photos there. This is a belly band. There's just a cute little photo mat. Room to put a picture right there. There's the pocket. This one has the dinosaurs, which I love. This one opens like this, and it opens like that. And I'm sorry, this actually goes here. And this just sits in here. You could put a photo here and a couple there and there. And one right there. I love this paper. It's so adorable. And then here with this will open this way. That opens like that. Room to put a photo. And there's a little card that you can put a little photo on also. There's the photo mat and room to journal or put a little photo. And there's the hidden pocket page. Now this swings down and that opens up for a double spread, and you can stick something in that pocket, and it closes again like that. Cute. It's got bicycles and skateboards and helmets. It's just an adorable paper. And there's the photo mat for there. And this one has a little hidden photo mat here in the side pocket, but this also opens up this way. And then that'll open up, and that will, and there we go. Nice big spread right there. And here's the pocket, which I historically do on the back page. And that'll open up like that. And these two things will come out. There's the to-do list. And here's another photo mat. So that goes back in there. And this closes like that. So I did 3 mini albums. I'm sorry, I did 4 mini albums with this paper. There's one. This one's similar, but not exactly the same. I might do a video on that one. And then this one, I took some of the paper, which was space, and did just a space theme with it. And then this slips up so you could put a photo right on here. So if you did it for a kid, the kid's photo could be in there. So again, it's a space theme. Got pockets. Real simple. But I wanted to get something done real quick on that. Another pocket page. And there we go. I left these so you could cut these out and put them on the pictures. There's another photo mat there. That closes like that. And so those are the 3 albums that I made with the Imagine That paper pad and all of the ephemera that came with it. Alright, and here are my goals for June. I want to continue working on how I want to inspire. So I want to post on YouTube 8 times in June. I want to post on Instagram twice a week. I think I'm going to take a break with the blog. I'm not really working on it, so I'm going to just back off on the blog. And then the mini album tutorials people really like, so I'm going to work on a new series starting in July. So that's what I have going on in June. You'll see the other people joining in the collab in the description box. Check them all out. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Have a great day.